Sometimes living feels like you're walking alone in the dark. Hardship and tribulation lurk at every corner. Malice and pain bare their teeth. Fear and uncertainty blink their gleaming eyes. Left and right, people carry flashlights, offering you a small glimmer in the face of all the dark. Take one, she says. It's a lifesaver, he says. Everyone is selling you their flashlights, beams of reprieve from the trials that haunt us. What if instead you could have the sun, your world bright and hopeful and shining, that even the shadows of the darkest corners shrink? When your purpose and path are clear, your world doesn't feel bleak anymore. God's light is infinite, and it's waiting for you. This year, follow along as Yaqeen guides you through finding purpose in your life by building a relationship with Allah. With new articles, video series, books, and infographics to spark your interest, we'll be kindling your knowledge of Islamic ethics, the prophethood of Muhammad ﷺ, spirituality, mental health, and more. What are you waiting for? Step into the light.